Good morning, students. We learn English grammar, and today's our topic is this, that, these, those. केजी में बच्चों को सेंटेंस फॉर्मेशन सिखाया जाता है. दिस, दैट, दीज, दोज का यूज़ कहाँ करना है, सेंटेंस कैसे फॉर्म करना है, बच्चों को हम वर्कशीट से सिखा सकते हैं. बट बेटर रहेगा बच्चों को हम रियल टाइम एग्जाम्पल देते रहें. जैसे जब भी घर पे हैं, बाहर है, तो दिस, दैट, दीज, दोज वर्ड्स का यूज़ हम कर सकते हैं, जिससे कि बच्चे जल्दी सीखें. एंड दीज आर साइट वर्ड्स जिनकी स्पेलिंग हमें बच्चों को याद दिलानी होती है बार बार. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. स्पेशली यूज ऑफ दिस एंड दैट फॉर वन थिंग, वन पर्सन, वन थिंग, and these those are used for more than one. Both are used for one person, and both these are used for, these and those are used for more than one. This is the plural form of, these is the plural form of this, and those is the plural form of that. So let's see some examples. This is an ice cream. अब यहाँ पे हम देखते हैं कि a and n used for one person, one thing. Then here one ice cream. Look at the picture. This is an ice cream. Then because ये पास में हमारे, तो हम क्या यूज़ करेंगे? This. Both all examples are this, use of this. Blank is a cup. Then this is a cup. Blank is a candy. This is a candy. Blank is an umbrella. This is an umbrella. Blank is an apple. This is an apple. So these examples are. Now use of that. यूज ऑफ दैट, जो चीज़ हमसे दूर है और वन है. स्पेशली हमें ध्यान रखना है, जो चीज़ दूर है, फार है, बट ओनली वन. ब्लैंक इज आ ट्री. हेयर यूज वी अ, एंड ट्री इज ऑल्सो सिंगुलर पर्सन. देन सिंगुलर थिंग, देन यूज दैट, बिकॉज वो दूर है और वन है. ब्लैंक इज अ फैन. फैन दूर है एंड वन है, देन वी यूज दैट. यूज ऑफ दीज. देन वी लर्न दीज इज यूज फॉर more things, more person, but those are near to our. ये जो आइसक्रीम हमारे पास है, ब्लैंक आर आइसक्रीम. अब यहाँ पे आर आ रहा है तो एक वन, मोर देन वन हुआ. देन वी यूज दीज. These are ice cream. And cups है, blank are cups. These are cups. Next one is use of those. More than one, but far, not near. Near के लिए these and far के लिए those. Blank are trees and those are trees. Blank are stars. Then those are stars. Blank are balloons. Then those are balloons. Now we do the exercise. Mix up exercise. This, that, these, those. Circle the correct one. Look at the picture and circle the correct answer. This, that is a bird. Here we see we use a, and the picture also show the one bird. Then we always use this. This and that is a deer. Here picture also show a, but the deer is far. Then we use that. These and those are deers. We see these and those are deers. Then we use हमसे दूर है, more than one है, far भी है and more than one, then we use those are dears. Man है but near है and one है, then what we use? Yes, we use this. Balls है, more than one है and near है. Blank, these blank are balls, then we use these are balls because more than one and near. Blank are birds, these and those. Birds one more than one है but far है, then we use those. Next one is these, those are apples. Near है, more than one है, then we use these. Let's see some more exercise. Then we here we use only one example for four things: this, that, these, those. Then you understand better. Near है, look at the picture. This is an apple and one है, one near. Then we use always this. That is an apple, far है, one है, that's why we use that here. Near है, these are apples. Why we are using these here? Near है, more than one है, then we use these. Now look at these pictures. Those are apples. Far है, more than one है, that's why we using those here. One more example. Near है, then we on one है, then we use this is a flower, then we use this. Now we see one है and far है, that is a flower, that's why we using that here. Now look at this. Near है but more than one, that's why we using here these. Those are far and more than one, that's why we using here those. Next examples are, now we look at the picture and try to give the answer. These are this exercise giving with answers. So the right answer here. Now question is this a bat? Look at the picture, then you give the answer. Yes, always use comma. This is a bat, full stop. Here we use capital letter. Next one is, look at the picture. Is this an orange? And your answer is yes, this is an orange. Comma, this is an orange. Next one is, question is, are those apples? Are those apple? Now look at the picture and give the answer. Then we say those are apples? No. Then no. Those are not apples. Those are orange. Next one is, the question is, are these buses? Look at the picture, these are buses. No. Then we say right here, no. Those are not buses. Full stop. Then sorry, these, not those, these. These are because more than one and near. Here we also use these are boats. Next one is this is a flower. Then answer is yes. This is a flower. Now try to give the exercise to your children and they know better use of this, that and these, those. So happy learning. Bye.